Hello friends, today we're going to explore the Bitget Crypto Exchange, one of the top 5 platforms for derivative trading according to CoinMarketCap. This exchange is perfect for both beginners and experienced traders thanks to its simple interface and powerful functionality. We'll explain how to register, go through verification, fund your account, and start trading, from spot to futures. We'll cover how to earn through copy trading, trading bots, and launch pools, and discuss the exchange token BGB and staking opportunities for passive income. Plus, through our partner link in the description, you can get increased bonuses when registering on Bitget, up to $8,000. To activate the bonuses, just register using our link, providing your email and password, and enter the promo code BONUS. About the exchange. Bitget is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges, ranked in the top 5 for derivative trading volumes according to official CoinMarketCap data. One of its main advantages is that KYC verification is not mandatory, allowing you to start trading quickly and with ease. However, trading and withdrawal limits will be restricted. Bitget offers everything you need to earn: spot and futures trading, margin trading with leverage, copy trading, trading bots and launchpads, and launch pools for investing in new tokens. The exchange has its own token, BGB, which has more than doubled in the past year and offers additional bonuses like commission discounts. The platform's interface is intuitively designed, with 24/7 support. To start earning on Bitget, the first step is to register. The process is so simple that even a beginner can complete it in a couple of minutes. Click on our partner link in the description to get bonuses of up to $10,000. You'll be redirected to Bitget's official website where you click the register button, enter your email, and create a strong password in the form that opens. Then, a confirmation code will be sent to your email. Simply enter it in the required field on the site to activate your account. That's it, registration is complete. After registering on Bitget, you can start using the exchange immediately, as KYC verification is not mandatory. However, we recommend completing verification to gain access to full functionality, including higher withdrawal limits. Without verification, KYC, you can withdraw up to 20,000 USDT per day. With verification, you can withdraw up to 3 million USDT per day and participate in promotions and launch pools. Go to your personal account and find the KYC section in the profile settings. You need to upload an identity document, either a passport or driver's license. After uploading the document, take a selfie directly with the camera, following the system prompts. Submit your data for review, and within 20 minutes, you will receive confirmation. Your account is verified. Now imagine having an assistant who monitors the market 24/7, analyzes charts, news, and the movements of major players. We've created such an AI assistant available exclusively for our referrals. Register on Bitget using our partner link in the description and join our Telegram channel. There you will find all the details. By the way, even now you're talking to an AI avatar. See, I'm doing pretty well. To start trading on Bitget, you need to fund your account. Go to the wallet section on the main page of Bitget and select deposit. First method, if you already have cryptocurrency, choose the coin to deposit, for example, USDT. Select the TRC20 Tron network. Bitget will display your wallet address on the exchange. Click Copy. Open your external wallet or another exchange where you have USDT. Click on the Withdraw button, paste the copied Bitget address, select the TRC20 network, specify the amount, and confirm the transfer. Wait for the transaction confirmation on the blockchain, usually a few minutes. Check your balance in the Wallet section to ensure that USDT has been credited. Second method to fund your balance. Go to the P2P section. Indicate that you want to buy USDT. Choose your national currency and your bank. Enter the amount. The system will show available merchants with their stats, number of trades, and success rate. Filter by amount to find merchants with the required funds. Select a merchant with a high percentage of successful trades, like 90% and above, and click Buy. You will see how much USDT you will receive and the payment details. Transfer the money to the specified details through your bank app. After you've paid, click the I've paid button, and within a few minutes, USDT will be credited to your P2P account. Third method to buy cryptocurrency, use an online exchanger, the most profitable and safe option for a beginner. Follow the link in the description to best change. Use a VPN if it's unavailable in your country. This platform gathers verified online exchanges. On the left, choose what you want to pay with, like your national currency. On the right, choose what you want to receive, like USDT, TRC20. A list of exchangers and exchange rates will appear. Pay attention to reserves and reviews. On the exchanger's website, fill in how much USDT you want to receive. Paste your crypto wallet address and contact details. Usually, you need to provide your email or phone number. The site will show you payment details. Where to send the money. Exchanges usually take 5 to 30 minutes. Once completed, you'll see the crypto on your exchange in the balance section. Now let's see how to withdraw funds. Go to the wallet, withdraw. Select the coin, for example, USDT, and the TRC20 network. Enter the wallet address where you want to send the funds. The system will show the network fee, which depends on the blockchain. TRC20 is usually $1. Confirm the operation through a code sent to your email. Wait for the transaction to be processed, usually a few minutes. You can also withdraw funds through P2P or an online exchanger. The same steps as depositing, just in reverse. Before we move to trading, like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Done that? Let's move on. Now that your Bitget account is funded, you can start trading. The exchange offers 2 main types of trading: spot and futures. Spot trading is the simplest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency, where you exchange one coin for another at the current market price or a price you set. Make sure you have funds in your spot account. If your money is in another account, like P2P or futures, transfer it via wallet. Transfer, choosing the spot account. Go to Trade, Spot. Select a trading pair. BTC USDT means you are buying or selling Bitcoin for USDT. In the center is the price chart of the selected pair, on the right is the form for buying or selling, and below is the order book where other traders' orders are visible. Choose the type of order: market order, buy, or sell at the current market price. This is the fastest way as the trade is executed instantly. Limit order, you specify the price at which you want to buy or sell and wait for the market to reach that price. After buying, check the result in the wallet, spot section. To sell Bitcoin, go back to Trade, Spot, select BTC, USDT, click Sell, choose Market, enter the amount, and confirm. Futures trading involves trading contracts tied to the price of cryptocurrency, but you don't receive the actual coins. Instead, you profit from the price rising or falling. Futures allow high leverage up to 125. How to trade futures? First, transfer funds by going to Wallet, clicking Transfer to the Futures account, USDTM. Go to Trade in Futures and select a pair, for example, BTC USDT. Choose the margin type. Isolated, you risk only the trade amount, or Cross, you risk the entire futures account balance. Beginners should choose Isolated. Set the leverage, for example, 10x. The higher the leverage, the greater the profit and risk. Choose the direction, long, betting on price rise, or short, betting on price fall. Choose the type of order, market order, trade at the current price. Limit order, specify the desired price, wait for the market to reach it, and it will open automatically. It's important to understand, when trading futures with isolated margin, you risk only the amount invested in that specific trade. But if the market goes against you and the price nears the liquidation zone, the position may be forcibly closed unless you add funds. However, if using cross margin, it's different. The market can dip, but the system will automatically add funds from the overall balance to keep the position positive. But there's a downside. If there's a strong move against you, you could lose the entire balance. Not just the portion you invested. When you open a trade, you can immediately set a stop loss to limit losses and take profit, the level at which the trade will close with a profit. Futures don't give you real coins. You trade contracts, so they can't be transferred to a wallet. High leverage, 10x or even 125x, can yield big profits, but also losses. Beginners should start with leverage of 5x, 10x. Bitget offers a variety of earning tools suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. The exchange features copy trading, trading bots, launchpads, launch pools, candy bomb, PoolX, pre-market, and staking through the earn section. Copy trading allows you to earn by mirroring the trades of experienced traders without needing to analyze the market yourself. You select a trader whose trades you want to copy, allocate an amount for trading, and the exchange automatically replicates their actions on your account. The trader earns a commission of 10% from your profit. Here's how to set it up. Go to the copy trading section on the Bitget homepage. You will see two types, spot and futures. Review the list of traders. Each trader has statistics, ROI, return on investment, P&L, profit loss, number of followers, experience, like 346 days, and a high success rate should always be chosen. Use the hide full filter to view traders with available slots, as some are limited to, for example, 500 followers. Select a trader by clicking on their profile to study their statistics. Number of orders and trading consistency. Click subscribe, enter the amount. Ensure funds are in the correct account. Transfer money via wallet, click transfer, then select copy trading and transfer the amount you want. Set parameters. Choose trading pairs, set a stop loss, for example, 10% to close at a loss, and take profit, for example, 20% to lock in profit. Enable auto view if you want to copy trades on new pairs from the trader. Confirm the settings in the My Traders section. Trading bots are programs that automatically buy and sell cryptocurrency based on a given strategy, following an algorithm such as buying low and selling high within a specified price range. On Bitget, spot bots like Martingale or Auto Investment are available. To set up a bot, go to the Trading Bots section in the Trade Spot menu. Choose a strategy, for example, where the bot divides funds into parts and trades within a specified price range, earning from each price movement. Select a trading pair. Set parameters. Specify the price range so the bot knows where to trade. Set the grid number, investment amount, and confirm the bot's creation. In the Strategies section, monitor its performance. Launchpads and launch pools allow you to invest in new crypto projects at early stages, getting tokens at a low price by completing tasks. Launchpad. You invest USDT or other coins into a new project and receive its tokens at the initial price, which often increase after listing. Go to the Launchpad section on Bitget. For the Launchpad, choose a project, specify the amount, and confirm participation. After listing, tokens will be credited to your spot account. Launch pool. You lock USDT, BTC, or BGB tokens on the exchange and receive new tokens as a yield. For the launch pool, select a project, specify the staking amount and duration. New tokens are credited automatically. Check your balance in wallet. Spot after the campaign ends. Candy bomb and PoolX are promotions to earn tokens. Candy bomb. You receive tokens for free by completing tasks like registration, trading, or inviting friends, similar to an airdrop. PoolX. You stake coins, new or tradable, and receive returns in the form of tokens, like in a launch pool. For Candy Bomb, complete the tasks listed in the promotion to receive tokens in your spot account. For PoolX, choose a coin, specify the amount and staking duration. Pre-market allows you to trade tokens that have not yet hit the spot market. Go to the pre-market section on Bitget. Select a token and trade it using market or limit orders. After listing, tokens will be available on the spot market for sale or transfer. The BGB token is used for commission discounts and participation in promotions. Buy BGB on the spot market. Trading pair BGB USDT. Use it to pay fees, participate in launch pools or PoolX. Keep the token in your spot account. The Earn section allows you to earn passive income by locking cryptocurrency and receiving interest. Types of staking. Flexible. Lock coins, USDT, 10% annual interest, with the ability to withdraw at any time. Fixed. Lock coins for a term, for example 30 days for higher returns. How to set up staking. Go to the Earn section on Bitget's homepage. Select the coin USDT and type of staking, flexible or fixed. Specify the amount and confirm. Earnings are credited automatically. Check your balance in wallet. If you've made it this far and haven't liked the video yet, you're being sneaky. Don't be sneaky. help the channel grow. Bitget provides support through standard channels like website chat and a contact form within your account dashboard. If you have any questions about trading, funding your account, or setting up bots, you can reach out to the support team via the help section on the homepage. Bitget actively assists users in mastering the platform through educational videos available on the exchange's YouTube channel. These videos cover essential features such as setting up copy trading, launching trading bots, using P2P trading, and understanding futures trading. For example, you'll find videos explaining how to choose a trader for copy trading or how to configure the martingale bot for the ETH-USDT pair. To access these resources, visit the Bitget YouTube channel via the link in the help section or search for the exchange's official channel. Bitget's affiliate program allows you to invite new users to the exchange. Register through the referral link provided in the description to access this opportunity. After registration, you will receive your own referral link, which you can share with friends or followers. When someone signs up using your link and begins trading, you earn bonuses based on their activity. To activate the affiliate program, go to your account settings, find the referral program section, and copy your unique link. Share it on social media or messaging apps. Bitget offers a mobile app that lets you trade, manage accounts, and access all exchange features directly from your smartphone. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. The app supports both light and dark modes for user convenience at any time of day. Download the Bitget app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. Install the app and log in using the email and password you set during registration on the website. Once logged in, you'll see the main screen with sections like Trade for spot or futures trading, Wallet for deposits and withdrawals, Copy trading for mirroring trades, Trading bots for automation, and Launchpad for participating in new projects. Now that you know how to use the platform on your smartphone, let's wrap things up. Share in the comments what you liked most about Bitget. If you found the content useful and easy to understand, give us a thumbs up. Join our Telegram channel, where our AI assistant shares market insights and signals. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.